English Urdu speaking course for beginners and tourists. Lesson number 4 by I. Fechtner. Let's go. Chalo. Chalo, walk. Chalo. Let's go. Chalo. Don't do it. Na karo. Na not karo, do. Na karo. Don't do it. Na karo. Okay, do it. Chalo, kar do. Chalo. Okay, fine. Kar do, do it. Chalo, kar do. Okay, do it. Chalo, kar do. I liked it. मुझे पसंद आया. मुझे me पसंद liked आया for past tense. मुझे पसंद आया. I liked it. मुझे पसंद आया. I find it surprising. What do you say? क्या बात करते हो? क्या what बात से करते हो? Do. क्या बात करते हो? I find it surprising. What do you say? क्या बात करते हो? 500 for what? 500 किस चीज़ के? 5 100 100 किस which चीज़ thing के for 500 किस चीज़ के? 500 for what? 500 किस चीज़ के? What's for eating? खाने को क्या है? खाने eat को for क्या what है is. खाने को क्या है? What's for eating? खाने को क्या है? You are a good driver. तुम अच्छे ड्राइवर हो. तुम you अच्छे good driver is driver हो are. तुम अच्छे ड्राइवर हो. You are a good driver. तुम अच्छे ड्राइवर हो. I loved it. It was fun. मज़ा आ गया. मज़ा fun आ गया came. मज़ा आ गया. I loved it. It was fun. मज़ा आ गया. I didn't like it. मज़ा नहीं आया. मज़ा fun नहीं not आया came. मज़ा नहीं आया. I didn't like it. मज़ा नहीं आया. Food was good, tasty. खाना अच्छा मज़े का था. खाना food अच्छा good मज़े का tasty था was. खाना अच्छा मज़े का था. Food was good, tasty. खाना अच्छा मज़े का था. Movie was not good. फिल्म अच्छी नहीं थी. फिल्म मूवी अच्छी good नहीं not थी was. फिल्म अच्छी नहीं थी. Movie was not good. फिल्म अच्छी नहीं थी. All is well. सब ठीक है. सब all ठीक well है is. सब ठीक है. All is well. सब ठीक है. Nothing is fine. कुछ ठीक नहीं. कुछ something ठीक fine नहीं not. कुछ ठीक नहीं. Nothing is fine. कुछ ठीक नहीं. Airport हवाई अड्डा, हवाई अड्डा, airport, airport, हवाई अड्डा. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. I Factner.